Coming to the next paragraph, I followed the girl along the passage. So at that time, the narrator, she just followed that girl along that passage. She was like at the back of the girl. Girl was going in front, and she was at the back of the girl, and she was following the girl along the passage. An old-fashioned iron Hanukkah candle holder. Hanukkah is a candle holder, and it is basically used, as it is written here, it's basically used in the feast of light, as just because the it's a Hebrew festival, right? Hebrew festival in which they used to light a candle. So you can just remember this, that it is a like candle holder hung next to the mirror. Whenever we never used it because it was much more cumbersome than a single candlestick. So when narrator, she just saw that it was ours only and we had never used, because it was very unmanageable. Maybe it was huge or it was big, so it is very unmanageable than a single candlestick. So we always used to prefer a single candlestick rather than lighting this huge Hanukkah candle holder. Won't you sit down? Asked the girl. So that girl said, just sit down over here. She held open the door of living room, and I went inside her. So she opened the living room, means drawing room, and she went inside. I stopped horrified, and all of a sudden she just stopped. She just started looking each and everything, every corner of the living room, as well as from inside. She was like horrified, in fear, right? Because she was in that place which is unknown but still known, right? I was in a room I knew and did not know. So here she is saying that I was in a room that I knew. How she knew? Because the things which were there in the living room, in fact in her house, were all theirs, right? So she knew each and everything of hers, whatever her mother gave to Mrs. Darling, and did not know, as well as this place is like new to me, so I don't know this place, this house. So as well as she knew also and did not know. I found myself in the midst of things I did not want to see again, but which oppressed me in the strange atmosphere. So she said that. Um, you can say that she was in the middle of the things. Midst means middle of the things I did not want to see again, because she, in the starting, she thought that it's better to quit everything, but anyhow she became curious and came here. So she said that I did not want to see again, but I don't know that I again came back for my things in this strange atmosphere, or because of the tasteless way everything was arranged, or you can say the way, I mean, these people, daughter of Darling and Mrs. Darling, have arranged all the things in very bad manner. So you can say this can be also the reason, because of ugly furniture, as well as you can also say just because she was having very ugly furniture, very old and ugly, or the muggy smell that hung there, or the smell of mud. Muggy smell means when she entered in her house, so she found that everything was like smelling like mud. Rooms were smelling like mud that hung there. I don't know, but I scarcely dared to look around me. The girl moved a chair. So that girl, she just moved a chair. I sat down and stared at the villain tablecloth. And she sat over there and she was staring that villain tablecloth, because she get to know that this tablecloth was given by my mother only. It was there. I rub it, and she just started rubbing her finger. My finger grew warm from rubbing, and definitely if you will going to rub like your hands or your finger with something, it will be like warm. I followed the lines of the pattern and the lines which were there in that tablecloth. So she was, like putting fingers and following the pattern of lines. Somewhere on the edge there should be a burn mark. She had never been repaired. So she got to know that this, tablecloth was also having burn mark, which I guess was not repaired right now. So she just found that burn mark and she said that it was never repaired at that time also, and I think right now also this tablecloth is having that burn mark even. My mother will be back soon, said the girl. And that girl, that 15 years old girl, she said that my mother will come back very soon. I have already made tea for her and I have already made a tea for her. Will you have a cup? So she said that, will you have a tea? Right? Cup means tea. Thank you. So here, narrator, she didn't said anything. She just thanked. She just said that thank you. So just mark up till here.